So what I've got as a challenge today in the shed is one of these generic streamers, and the complaint is that when you pull the switch it doesn't operate. So you pull the switch and it's not working. So that's the challenge. I'm going to take it apart. I have already discovered that the battery was completely flat because it wasn't charging properly. I've rectified that. But now we've just got to take this apart and find out what's going on with the switch. So in this case, what we've actually got, I've taken the wires off here, is this is called a micro switch. And what it is, that's just stuck internally. So when you push it, it makes no difference to the contact. So what I'm going to do is take that switch apart and see if I can give it a little service and a clean up inside and see if we can get that working. Moment of truth. There you go. As if by magic. Look at that.